Judge has found Eastern State Hospital in contempt for taking too long to evaluate the mental health of inmates at the county jail. The unusual move also involves fining the hospital thousands of dollars to force changes at the understaffed facility. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey joins us now live at the jail, where the judge says too many prisoners are waiting for something state law says they should be getting. Jeff?
Nadine, nonetheless, a lot of the people inside our jail are both mentally ill and suspected criminals, so what happens to them is really not a huge concern for the mainstream society. Fortunately, our judges, though, they are sworn to enforce the law equally for everyone, and in this case, throwing out the challenge flag on an important system that needs more help and more money.
He's not from this planet. He's not human. He's like a Wolverine. He was like an animal.
1 out of every 4 calls for service the Spokane Police Department responds to involves people who act like they're mentally ill. So it's not surprising our jail is full of an increasing number of people who may have run afoul of the law because of their mental health problems.
The dude I killed was a baby. Very disgusting. Don't deserve to live.
Sometimes a judge will shut down all legal proceedings against a suspected criminal in order to have their sanity evaluated. It's called a stay, and under Washington state law, doctors at Eastern State Hospital have 7 working days to meet with an inmate and start the process of finding out if they're too mentally ill to stand trial or help with their defense. Eastern State officials say they've seen a huge increase in the number of mental health referrals and that staffing and funding shortages have made it impossible to keep up with the demand.
Well, the problem is that every psychiatric bed is full. Every forensic evaluator has a maximum caseload, and the hospital budget already faces a $6 million shortfall, so there is no ability to take on additional patients.
Attorneys for Spokane's Public Defender's Office have been pushing for speedier patient evaluations from this time last year, and they were able to convince the judge that the problem needs to be fixed now. DSHS officials say they'll be asking the state legislature for more funding to help deal with this growing problem when they reconvene in January. Reporting in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.